Hey, what's up, Safe Moon holder? So this is an emergency video for all Safe Moon holder because Safe Moon holders doing one big mistake very fastly, and I can't believe it how you do this mistake, my friend. So let's get started the Safe Moon prediction, my friend. First of all, and after that, I tell you, my friend, about the mistake to why are you doing this big mistake, my friend. So let's get started the Safe Moon prediction. But I request you, my brother, to subscribe this channel. This channel update you every time and guide you every time. I have 3 experience, my friend. I also share my opinion in this video. To this is selling time, holding time, or buying time, my friend. Safe Moon holders do what mistake? I tell you, my friend. Safe Moon holders do this big mistake. You can see here this time and the previous day they've completely falls down after that, my friend. But the previous days with this people starting buying now, so they're going off like a rocket. But after that, my friend, this is the end of month and everybody start selling now in those days. So therefore the price is very badly, my friend, decreased now, and I already going to show you the last 1 hour, then you understand to why they fails down, my friend. But this time, because here I just tell you, my friends, to don't sell it. Please don't sell it. If you are starting selling, then exactly they completely fails down. And remember, this is not a financial video, or if you want to invest in Safe Moon, absolutely research personally. I just advise you, my friend. I just share my opinion in this video. So my friend, this time you can see here the change occur as the 32% they're going up. So I think this is very big jump, my friend, not a small jump. You can see here this is and the triangle and the target as in positive direction. You can see here the resistance line, they can easily cross it, my friend. So I hope if they are going up like a rocket, my friend, absolutely the next target is here, my friend. The next target is here. So at this point they touch it, then I hope, my friends, they can hit 0.0066 US dollar. This time just 6, and they can hit 66 US dollar, my friend. So don't waste your time, my friend. Please hold it and sell it at the next month. I hope they give you half US dollar, my friend. So don't sell it, hold it. Okay, this time let's check out the last 1 hour chart to what's going on. This is selling time or buying time, my friend. Okay, let's check out. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, because this channel guide you every time, my friend. Yes, absolutely, my friends. Holders do this mistake to they starting selling now, my friend. And if you are starting selling now, then exactly the price is going up. You can see here 0.005 come out, my friend. So very badly fails down, my friend, and the price is going down. So don't sell it. Remember, my friends, so they're going up in upcoming years. Please, if you are hold, absolutely they're starting moving up and people starting investing now. So 5.88% they fails down just in 1 hour. Because this is the end of this month and people are selling now and make a money, my friend. But I tell you, my friend, if you are a long investor, then don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand Safe Moon holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for more this type videos.